How to see your deleted voice messages on an iPhone. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to click on this option all the way to the right under where it's that voicemail. Now I should take you to this page right here and you should see all your voice messages. So obviously I'm gonna have mine blocked so you guys can see my numbers and stuff. But once you find this, you're gonna have to scroll down all the way. And once you scroll down all the way, it should take you to this page right here. And under right here, it should say deleted messages. So just click on that. Once you click on that, you have all those voice messages that are deleted. So as you guys can see, I only have 3. Most of them are just spam. So obviously I don't want them in my phone. So what you can do, you could also listen to them. You can also recover them, for example. But what I do usually, I just clear them right here. But that's basically how you see or hear your voice messages on iPhone that are deleted. So this would have helped you. Make sure you subscribe. If you need any help, leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.